This video, I will take an interview of an Indian boy who is making lakhs of rupees from these three websites. In this video, I will ask each and everything like how to start work on these three websites, what are the names of these three websites, and which man can work on these three websites. So let's begin.
Some of people they are making $100, $200, $300 in a day on who can approach you for job up on the site.
Okay, and after that?
And after that, like just open the site and find to contact us, where you'll also get option to for an interview. So there's also way we like you can connect that. This is the official way.
So can you help me to connect with them?
I cannot help you, but I can tell you the ways you can contact to them.
Okay, so first of all, please tell me the name of websites.
Let me tell you some famous website which is from India, like not only from India, even the foreign people when they come to India, so they like book the hotels from that site. Okay.
Okay.
The first name is like Airbnb, AIRBNB.
Okay, wait a minute, please. AIR.
BNB.
And after that?
Booking.com, BOOKING.com.
Okay, booking.com. And second one?
And after that you can say like make my trip.
Okay, please accept my request because I wanna get. Okay, thank you. So second one is
Make my trip or booking.com.
makemytrip.com and AIRY.
And BNB.
Okay, bnb.com.
Yeah, and make my trip booking.com, Airbnb, and you can also write the Agoda, AGODA.
AGODA agoda.com.
Yeah, these four sites where you can contact to them, and let me tell you also like another option where you can work remotely and hourly based you can get according to your work, according to your like experience and proficiency.
Okay.
It's a remote job. You can work from anywhere.
Okay, so which is that platform?
Basically, it is like freelancing job. Have you heard about freelancing job?
Yes.
So like there's a site I think which is a Fiverr. You know about Fiverr?
Yes, but I don't wanna go on Fiverr because now Fiverr is banned in Pakistan.
Sorry, what do you say? Oh, got it, man.
Yes, recently they have banned Fiverr in Pakistan.
So why don't you use like a firewall? You can also use the like VPN to switch your IP address to another country.
Because bro, I wanna work with these websites in which you are working because I am very eager to go to abroad. So that's why I think it's really important for me.
The website is really great. If your like work is like a super class, of course you will get paid so much, which most of people don't get like in their office work, right?
Okay.
Some of people they are making $100, $200, $300 in a day on like the project of like freelancing.
Okay, but on these websites on which you are working, how much we can make?
It's not a limited, man. So some of people made like around like 50,000, 60,000. Some of people 1 lakh. It's up to your experience. Some of people make only like $5.
Okay.
It's up to your work.
Actually, $5 I think enough for me.
$5 is a basic pay of like working freelancing.
Okay, bro. So now I know the name of these three websites. Then after that, what should I do?
The first thing you need to upload your resume there. Firstly, just go and connect to the like the developer of that application or the owner. So you will get that man or HR.
Okay.
Basically, there is no direct way to contact them. Basically, if you call them, so that's unprofessional way. So like email them.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
These are the sites which is like real. These are not fake. So where you can like connect to them.
okay. Then what work should I do on these websites?
They will provide you like two type of job. The first will be remote job, and the second will be tourist guider.
Okay.
So if you want to If you want to work as a remotely, so you can contact them and you have to upload the hotels list, man. How many hotels are coming there, and you have to create some profile like this.
Okay. May you wanted to say this thing? If anyone want to work on these websites, he or she should be fluent in
And
English.
yeah, the work is very simple. It's not a rocket science. Anyone can do. Only you have to crack the interview and get into.
Yes.